Okay, so it's Wednesday, the 26th of May, 5 minutes before the Open, RTH Open. And what we did yesterday in the day session, we reversed the gains from Monday, and we're currently right in the middle of the yesterday's range. Sitting on top of the midline of the pit session and the overnight session, and just above this trend line. My scenario 1 is based on the fact that we've extended to the upside, tested high, tested low, and now balancing in the middle, building up volume, and my expectation is still for us to continue the trend higher. We've tested the LVN, reversed, we're holding the mid line, and we'll be building up volume to continue the move up to take out the all-time high at 37.38. That's scenario 1. Scenario 2 is since we reversed the move that we started on Monday, we've reversed it, now we're in the middle. If the buyers are not motivated, sellers step in, we can reverse the move even lower and test the VPOC 170.75, this one here, to the downside, to the upside to 38, 40, to 40. So that's scenario 1, that's scenario 2 on the 60-minute. On the 15-minute, what we did have yesterday was my scenario 2. We opened, tested high, and sold off. Yesterday's scenario 2. My scenario 2 was asking for a visit to the singles area, 13.14. All we managed was 10. Couldn't even get to the overnight high. Sign of weakness. Had the selling off. Test of the mid. Continue at the low. Finish at the lows, moving the volume point of control lower. So the volume point of control has migrated lower, but we're in the middle of this balance area, and my expectation is for the main trend to continue. So scenario 1. Test the VPOC of yesterday. Take out the high. The position at 210, and basically do scenario 1 from yesterday. If we get the strength to 120 naked VPOC, scenario 1. Scenario 2 in green. We open at 93, quick push up to the century figure at 200, revisit the low of the pit session yesterday at 179.25, and then down to the MCV POC at 172, and the low of Monday. Scenario 2. Scenario 3. If we find motivated buyers and all that volume gets spent in an impulsive move up, we get to the HVN at 228, an all-time high, which is at to 32. And scenario 3, so sorry, that was scenario 3. Scenario 4 is down to the downside to the 156 MCV block. Scenario 4, and that's that.